What's up, guys? It's Eric with Grillslingers. If you've been up on our social media or seen the thumbnail, you know we're in for a hell of a ride today. But before I get into this, I'm gonna need some backup. Meat team, assemble!
Dude, I'm right here.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right.
It's Meatfest. Hey y'all, it's Richie from Grillslingers, and I am so excited to be here to help Eric out with Meatfest. Today we have the lofty challenge of preparing 7 entrees.
Yeah, I was not initially excited about this episode, and I have no idea how you convinced me to go through with this. But here we are, and we're about to unleash the beef. And the chicken and the pork. We got quite a few moving parts here, so we took the luxury of getting some of the more basic cooks and parts that we've already covered in our previous videos already handled. So we'll be keying in on a few items that we haven't made yet.
Like Eric said, we've already cooked some of the other items. We've got pulled pork. Woo! We've got mac. Woo! We've got ribs. Woo! We've got chopped beef. Woo! We've got chicken thighs. Woo! We've got hot links and hot dogs. Woo! We even got elotes. So today we'll be showing you all how to make some wings and pork belly burnt ends. Let's go ahead and jump right into prep.
That's my line.
Oh, sorry.
All right, let's jump right in.
Do we get to use your new drum smoker for this one?
Yes, you can get excited now.
Yes.
All right, so it's time to prep our pork belly burnt ends.
Okay, I got the pork belly. Now what?
All right, well, I got these at my local Costco. As you can see, they're already cut into strips, but we're gonna go ahead and cube these down in about 1.5 inches. Cool. Here, go ahead and get that done.
All right, here we go. Oh yeah, cutting the meat. Wow, these are a little tougher than I thought. Okay.
Go ahead, take your time.
Ugh. I actually thought these would be more tender. Maybe a knife's just aren't sharp.
Do you need a professional?
Yeah, let's get you in here.
Okay. All right, so like I said, we want like 1.5 inch cubes, right?
Oh, so cut them one at a time.
Yeah, you know, like a normal human being would.
So much more graceful when you cut them one at a time. You can try to cut 8 at a time, but you're going to be really frustrated, like I was.
You should also learn how to count because there's not 8 here.
There's not?
No.
7?
Yeah.
It's pretty close.
I mean,
Close enough for barbecue. All right, these are all ready. Thank you very much. Are we seasoning these next?
yeah, and since you've been such a champ about it, I'll go ahead and let you pick the rub we're gonna use.
Perfect, I got the rub right here. So you want to start in counterclockwise circular motions. Really just get in. Dude, I'm just kidding. I know it's not a rub. The barbecue channel. Jeff, spice me.
Nope. You can't catch anything. All right, go ahead, dust those up like you mean it. I'll get the drum started and then we'll get those on, okay?
Got it.
Have fun.
Ooh, I'm surprised you let me do this part too.
All right, so we got our pork belly on the drum smoker. That typically runs around 250 to 300. So we're gonna let it go for about 5 hours. Once that's done, we're gonna toss it in sauce, let it kind of like candy, caramelize, that kind of thing. But since we got that going, it's time to take a look at our wings. Thank you, Richie. Most of the time when you buy wings at the market, you'll either find them labeled as party wings, which will be a mix of drums or flats, or you're gonna get the actual whole chicken wing, which that takes a lot more work, and when you're making as much food as we are, you don't wanna be doing that. So just go ahead and just pick up some party wings.
I got my party wings right here, baby.
They'll also be listed as first and second sections, so you can buy those as well. Anywho, let's get these out and we can kind of do a little bit of trimming here. Yeah, thank you for not letting that drop over. Rich, go ahead and grab a knife. And please, for the love of God, don't give me that weird, no, not that knife. We don't need that knife. Please just, here, get the paring knife at the end. Thank you. You're gonna do this. I always do all the work.
Come on, man. Okay, what am I doing?
I'll walk you through this. Here, go back to your spot.
Okay.
Okay. So, look, on the flat here, all we're really looking for is like to kind of like trim some stuff off that may burn. Like this one's fine. Just kind of like pick through these.
Okay.
For example, like see this right here?
Yeah.
I mean, here, since you're an amateur, just kind of cut that off.
Okay.
Right? Cool. Once they're done, throw them in the bowl.
Cool.
Okay. Here. You use that one.
Okay.
I wish I had like a training wheels knife, but just out of spite.
Seriously, dude?
Cut your wings. Don't use the big knife. Don't eat crabs.
I'm gonna take the time to just mention that about 10 years ago, Richie was trying to chase a squirrel out of his basement.
Oh god.
And I had to take him to the ER and sit in the. Oh, okay, so multiple people took him to the ER because Jeff was driving, but I had to sit there in the emergency room with him, and I have some pretty good pictures. I'll see if I can send it to Jeff because we'll actually put it up during this section.
Oh my god.
It's pretty damn good, but that's why I don't trust him with sharp things because he just hurts himself. I think squirrels are.
Squirrels have to do with sharp things.
They got sharp teeth, bro.
Yes. I can confirm.
Dog.
It's not.
Frozen chicken juice. God, no. Okay, so those are all trimmed up. I've already got the coals running on the Weber. We got those in the Vortex. But I went ahead and brought out the oil. I want you to go ahead and get those seasoned, or get them seasoned. Just go ahead and just drop some oil in there. We want to kind of get them all coated.
Okay. How much oil am I doing?
Just enough to coat. So just kind of eyeball it a little bit.
Oh, yeah. This is a great consistency. Okay, just getting these covered with oil.
You can use whatever seasoning you want, but we're gonna just use our SPG rub. It doesn't really have a name yet, but we're working on that. Go ahead and get those seasoned, and then we'll get them on the grill.
Awesome. Jeff, season me!
Nope. We've covered this already. Here, let's try this.
Jeff, season me! Ugh, chicken juice, Jeff.
It's not my fault.
Get out of here.
Okay, let's go ahead and put some seasoning on these.
Okay.
Go ham. Toss it up.
You know, I can do that.
Okay, so we got those all seasoned up. We're gonna place those around the Vortex because I've got the coals on the inside. And we're gonna let that run for about 30 minutes.
Well, what's the vortex?
You've been sitting literally right over there every time we film. You do pay attention, right? Okay, so a vortex is a steel cone that helps concentrate the heat in the center of the grill, but it also creates a little bit of convection heat on the outside, which gives us a really even heat for the wings and crisp the skin without burning. So again, like I said, we're gonna let those go for like 20-30 minutes. We're gonna check for a temp of 170 on the wings, okay?
Sounds good.
Cool, let's go ahead.
What did you say? Eric will now slowly put the chicken wings on the grill. They are so beautiful.
Okay, Rich, so the wings and belly should be done pretty soon. And, you know, this whole fiasco is your idea, so take it away.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so we're gonna set our table, and it's gonna be inspired by Old Glory. While it won't look exactly like it, it did serve as the inspiration for the presentation of the Meatfeast. In the corner, we are gonna have a glorious mountain of pulled pork, surrounded by Natalie's extra cheesy, like Eric's jokes, mac and cheese. Surrounding this, we will have the wings with celery and carrots because, well, we had to have something healthy. But that's barely the beginning of the spread.
Please just hang on 1 second.
Dude,
We're gonna need extra hands here.
Oh, okay.
We're not putting this on.
I think I know
some people.
All
Sweet.
right.
Got you.
Well, let's go ahead and get this done. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, I think that's good.
There's gotta be something in there.
All right, are we finally done?
Our masterpiece is complete. Behold the meat feast. Let's recap the spread real quick. And remember, if you want to make any of these items, we have individual videos giving you the play-by-play on how to replicate these at home. And we have recipes in the description below. All right, let me go over this real quick. We got shredded beef, turkey legs, chicken thighs. We got pork belly burnt ends. We got elote down there with some hot Cheetos, some parm, and all the fixings. We got 3 different kinds of buns. We got dogs, we got ribs, of course pulled pork with Natalie's mac, some healthy stuff, and 2 rows of chicken wings.
Only one thing left to do now, right?
Yep, that's right, buddy.
Wrong. This is when we're supposed to tell them to like, subscribe, click the bell, and comment below.
All right.
We gotta work on your camera skills, man.
Yeah, you do that. I'm gonna eat.
That's all, folks. Me team. Come on, let's dig in. We'll see you next time.
Heck yeah! Oh god, yeah.
I'm just gonna do this just for posterity.
Yeah.
He loves wieners in his mouth.
Good job, guys.
Meatfeast!